And here we have a reproduction globe, and it looks like it folds out, but it was probably from Europe. It has the barley twist pieces, but it looks like maybe 1940s or 50s, I think right after World War II. And then we have this chandelier that was completely smashed, and it's all cast brass. We're going to be putting it back together. There's a bag of more crystals that comes with it. Obviously, there's lots to be done there. And we have a really large sign that just came in, and it is U.S. Royal Tires. And believe it or not, when you lift that up, it's very flexible. It used to be mounted to an iron frame. And so we're going to be evaluating, determining how to get rid of the rust, rebuilding all of the bolt holes, and then hopefully mounting it to something so that the customer can use that at their home. And then right over here is a music box that we've been working on. We're trying to keep you guys updated on that. Here you can see veneer has been replaced, but here's the most important part: the marquetry has been restored. We have applewood, alder, poplar, mahogany, and we're matching all the rest of the leaves, and now it's going to come to finishing. And then over here we have a piece with legs that needed repaired. We're talking about a really good quality chest. It has a drop finial that goes here. It's mahogany, and both legs had damage. This one broke apart, and that one, the foot was repaired. And then here is two clocks. We have one with reverse painting. I don't know if you guys are familiar with reverse painting, where the picture is painted on the glass in reverse so that you can see through it. And then also this one is reverse painting. And we have repaired the finial, and mostly the clock is in good shape. It just had damaged carving that has been redone. So here is a bed that Christian is building, and you see how it's clamped. So obviously those pieces don't stay, but you can see the scooped, and this is for a designer. So we also wanted to show you that this Hoosier came in. This was, as we say, the original kitchen cabinets. You can see it has a porcelain top, and you know, this is not positioned correctly right now, but it's a 2 or 3 door cabinet, where this has this door and then 2 doors in front, and then the timbre door. So we've made some new parts for the timbre. Now it's going to be refinished. And so pretty cool old Hoosier. Many families had these, you know, 1900 to 1920. This was the piece in everybody's kitchen.